y'all, Eve Belize. Welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Hope you find value in the video and subscribe. I was getting a haircut. Friend, sister stylist, she put this thing in my hair and I'm like, girl, what is that? I mean, she ran it through my hair like 2 times, and when I tell you, it was like, I was like, I gotta have one of these. I just washed my hair, I deep condition overnight, and we're going for a fresh blowout. I'm gonna put this baby to the test. It was like $42 at Amazon, and she was like, yeah, this is nothing new. We've been using this in the salon. And I'm like, what, girl? I've never had this used in my hair before. Let's find out what's going on with the blue bird, the yellow bird, whatever bird she is, okay? So yes, honey, this is what we doing today. I bought this at, no, this is not what it's about, but I bought this at Five and Below, and it's cute. It has a little plastic on the inside and it's satin on the outside. It's like $3. I'm not putting anything in my hair. The steam just not coming out of there. Just change the setting.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
To all you queens out there, wear your crown whichever way makes you feel beautiful. Whether it be long, short, straight, curly, it doesn't matter. If your crown is not beautiful, regardless of what you put on, that outfit is not coming together. It starts with our crown. So wear your crown proudly, and whichever way you choose to wear it, it is beautiful, just know that. So yeah, I am super pleased with my hair, and I'm gonna go to the next step now. Time to style her, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and Eve will see y'all in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.